Welcome back again to MNC community. Today we'll be performing and showing you a tutorial of a nice trick that you can perform in front of a spectator and get the best reactions. Sorry we were unable to upload videos due to our exams, and there will be an amazing video every week on our channel, so make sure you are connected. Let's perform the trick. The spectator can select any card from the deck and this will be a free choice. Now they can have a look at it. And now I will select my friend from the deck. I will roughly cut the deck in half, just like this. Now as you can see, my friend is right over here. I will be placing this card face up in this pile, and the rest of the pile goes at the top of it. Now the spectator selection, which is this card, goes at the top of this deck, just like this. And now the spectator can cut the deck as much time as he like. I can also cut the deck. It's completely fair. The spectator can cut as much time as he like. Once the spectator is completely satisfied, I will cut the deck in exactly half, which is 26 cards on each of the pile, just like this. Now as you can see, here are exactly the halves of the deck. Now I will deal the card from each pile one by one. Once my friend reaches, the next card will be your card, just like this. As you can see, my friend is reached. The next card will be your spectator's selection. Now this friend is very powerful. What he did, he separated all aces from the deck, just like this. And he's so powerful that he separated all the blacks and all the reds, just like this. Now this trick was completely fair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the performance of this trick. Let's get on to the tutorial. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe this channel, leave a comment down below and like this video. So here's how the tutorial is done. First, you need to separate the deck in two. One red and one black. You can remove the two jokers from the deck and separate the four aces. Now on the red pile, the red aces go one at the top and one at the bottom, as you can see here. Same with this pile also, one is goes at the top and one is at the bottom, and the rest of the pile goes at the top of it. So this is the setup that you can start before approaching a spectator. Now if the spectator picks the card from the top, you can always see that this card will be red. And if the spectator picks card from the bottom, this card will always be a black card. Avoid your spectator to choosing a card from the middle. This will create a sort of confusion between the card. You need to just remember, if the spectator picks the card from the bottom, it will be a black card. If the spectator picks the card at the top, it will be a red card. For instance, I am pulling a card from here, and as you can always see, this card will be a red card, as you can see. Now what you need to do, you need to pull out your friend. Your friend will always be of the opposite color. In this case, the color is red. You have to pull your friend of a black color, except the ace. So I'll be pulling my friend right over here, this one. So this will be my friend. Now you can tell your spectator that you will be roughly cutting the deck in half, but what you are actually doing, you will be separating the two piles, just like this. And then your friend can go on top of any of the pile. For instance, I am putting here and the rest of the pile goes at the top of it, and the spectator selection goes at the top of this pile. Alright. Now you can tell your spectator to cut the deck as much time as he like. You can also cut the deck as much time as you like. It's completely fair. Once the spectator is completely satisfied, you can tell your spectator that you will be cutting the deck exactly in halves, which is 26 cards on each of the pile. As you can see, here are the exactly halves, which is 26 cards on each of the pile. Now you can tell your spectator that you will be dealing the card one by one from each of the pile, and as your friend reaches, the next card will be their card. As you can see, my friend is here, so that this card will always be the spectator's selection. This trick will always work if you follow the right steps. And the next 4 cards will be the aces, and this pile will be separated in all the blacks with all the blacks, all the red with all the reds, as you can see. So guys, this was the amazing card trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe the channel, leave a comment down below. That's it for today. Peace out.